Hi there! Today I've got a spelling test for you. Can you spell or write the following words? Rain, pain. Have a go. Okay. Rain. Take a look. It's got different spellings and different meanings. Rain as in it's raining, or rain as in the reign of Queen Elizabeth, for example. Two spellings, one sound. Homophones. The same with pain. Have a look. Pain as in it's painful, it's a pain, or window pane, for example. Okay, well, it's time for your odd one out game. Here are your four words. Which is different and why? Your time starts now. And the odd one out is pain, spelled P-A-N-E, because pain is just a noun. Only a noun, not a verb plus noun, like the other three. And that's it for today. See you next week. Bye-bye.